Hello and welcome to this video in which I'm going to be showing you how to do data scraping with Google Sheets. Now, part of the process that I followed here is beyond the scope of this video, but just to give a reference to it, it's got to do with using this extension called Listly that you can use in Chrome to scrape the data from a list like this. That can then give you all the links and some information about these items here. And then what I'm going to be doing with that is I'm going to be putting those links in here, and then I'm going to be extracting information from the inside from the page content that the link opens. So I'm not actually even going to open these. Google Sheets is going to open it and go and extract information for me without me even getting involved in opening any of them. So that's the goal. So what I've got here is the list. Then I've got some codes here and I've got some codes here. Now these codes here are just some variables that I'm using. Each of these formulas uses these variables. So the first one uses this variable, second one uses this variable, third one uses this variable. Now these variables are used to extract specific information, piece of information from the link. So the main thing I want is just actually the address though, because these are like places you can rent or whatever. So, but you can scale this further. We've got three variables and three formulas, but you can extend them, make more formulas, and as you make more formulas, you'll have to relate them to new variables. We'll talk more about these variables in a minute. Now, essentially what I want to do is I want to extract address information. So if I was to go about that, I would open one of them as an example. Then what I do is I go inspect, and then I find where address, which is in this area. Then I select the thing that contains them, right click, and then I say copy full XPath, and then I can just paste in here for now. Actually, I'm going to paste it in here. It's looking good. So then it'll say loading, and then it will get the information. So this formula is actually getting an array. I'm just joining the array into a single string. Otherwise, it would complain and say that it needs more space, and these guys are next to it, but it actually needs the space that these guys are taking so that it can spread its array throughout here. Anyway, so that's basically it. The main actually